Christmas is almost here. Have you ever wondered how Santa manages to stay warm while delivering gifts all over the world? I mean, riding in an open sleigh through freezing skies, squeezing down cold chimneys, it's a tough job. So this year, I decided to prepare a special gift for Santa to keep him cozy. It's a self-heated patch for one special acupuncture point, DU14, as his secret weapon against the winter freeze. Hi everyone, Henry here, an acupuncturist with over 25 years of experience helping people feel their best with integrative medicine. Let me explain. DU14, also known as Zhui, is a key acupuncture point right below the big bump on the back of your neck. It's like the command center for warming up your whole body. Stimulating DU14 can help boost your yang energy, which keeps you feeling toasty even in the chilliest weather. From a modern medical perspective, DU14 is very close to the spinal cord, which helps regulate body temperature. When you stimulate this area, like with a self-heated patch, it activates thermoreceptors in the skin and tissues beneath. These receptors send messages to your brain's temperature control center, the hypothalamus. The result? Improved circulation and systemic warmth, thanks to responses like vasodilation and increased metabolic activity. Simply put, it's like turning on your body's internal heater. Remember in my last video when I recommended taking a warm shower over DU14 to chase away the chills? Well, I know Santa doesn't have time for long showers, so this self-heated patch is the perfect alternative. He just has to stick it on DU14 and voila, instant warmth, even while he's dashing through the snow. So Santa, this holiday season, let this self-heated patch on DU14 be your trusted companion. And for everyone watching, give it a try too. Spread the warmth this Christmas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun tips on staying healthy. See you next time and have a magical Christmas.